grab that honey or that drone. Get his head down here between your fingers. Get his butt up there like that. Try and get him on video here. And you slowly start squeeze. Get the poop out of him first, and then that's his penis coming out.
See if he's breeding age.
That's his penis. See all that kind of glowing stuff on the end?
Yeah.
That's all the sperm on the end.
Okay.
And then can you see the like kind of horns?
Yeah.
So that's all his penis. Big boy.
In other words, drones is
Yeah. No.
ready to make. Yeah.
You know, he hit. Look at all that sperm hanging there. It gets off my finger. There it is. All that sperm there. So.
He got enough pretty well loader in it.
Oh yeah.
It's tough.